So when we got our RV and we selected the lot, we were really lucky that it had a deck on the lot. We had to move it back because, of course, it wasn't the same. It was actually up there a little bit further. We were really lucky we had that deck. It's decent enough. It holds you, it's better than walking up some janky steps into the house, but we certainly need to do some work on it. It needs to be cross braced underneath here so it doesn't wobble. And what we're going to start working on in our first project for this channel is we're going to be expanding the deck all the way to the back of the trailer here. So we got our first little bit of lumber. Remember, we're trying not to spend more than $200 a month. So the lumber, the brackets, the screws to build the frame here for the new deck, for the deck extension, that was $126. So that's going to be able to get us all the supports we need in the framework, the joist essentially for the back, for the deck. And then on the next paycheck, we should be able to get all the deck boards that we need. And then the next step is we're going to be working on the railings, because right now we kind of got this cattle wire railing stuff. So we're actually going to be taking all that off the old deck and redoing the railing for both, for the deck and the deck extension. Then we're going to paint it, and then the final stage, we're going to skirt it too. That may come in before the railing, because I actually have a lot of the skirting boards that at work that were donated, so that's fantastic. Then we're going to paint it, and then the final stage, we'll be putting the roof on it. But we're doing an 8-foot extension. Well, it's an 8x8 extension, and the current deck is roughly 8x8, so it'll be an 8x16 deck. But I just want to let you know this is the project we're going to be starting. We may start it next weekend depending on the weather and how we feel, but getting the lumber is 99% of the problem. So this is what will be coming up next.